Hi, hey everybody, it's Saturday, January the 26th, 2019. We're out here one last time at the Brazos Bend State Park. We are walking on the Prairie Trail. This sign over here will tell you that. I guess we're going to wait on this. That sign right there says Prairie Trail. And so there's actually quite a few trails that we're going to be taking here, and this will probably be our last trip here for this part of the year. But I want to get these last trails, make a video and bring that to you. And so this one, we just started out just a little bit behind us there at the parking lot that you've actually seen before. In fact, I guess if I show the very finish of this, you'll see it again, because that's where we'll wind up coming back after we do a number of things. The very back end of this will all be the same, be Elm Lake and 40 Acre Lake, and then right back to the parking lot. But a few of them that we're doing are different, including this one. So you can see the start of this one, and going out in the open sun here. But like always, see some interesting stuff, I'll bring it to you. But we will be heading in that general direction here in a few minutes, I know. So just going to kind of open prairie land here, which makes sense since it's a prairie trail. But I'll see you on the next little clip. Hang around. All right, so we actually finished the prairie trail. This is the end of it. We came down from there, right? So you come down here to the end. You come up to this sign here, this map. And you can see right here is the prairie trail that we came around. So right now you can see we're right there, and that little sign says you are here. Okay? To take the Live Oak Trail, which was the original plan, you see it says Live Oak, it's actually closed. They have closed that trail, so we cannot, more than half this park is closed, sadly. But anyway, so what we're going to do is we're just going to go right up here, going to come across the back into the 40 Acre Lake again that we've done before several times actually. Cross the spillway, going to come down here. Then our new trail is we're going to come down and do this Pilant Slough trail here. So we'll come down to this, we'll come up, okay, come back up here, we'll meet back up with Elm Lake. We'll just go around it, which we've done all this before. So I don't know how much of this I'll video. Right back across the spillway, then we'll come around, of course, this end of the 40 Acre Lake, right back down to the parking, and that's where we'll end. And that's going to finish out Brazos for us. So like I said, that's where we just came down from. This is the end of the Prairie Trail. So now we're going to go up here, across the road, and get up to the backside of the 40 Acre Lake Trail. And of course I won't show you much there because you've seen it before. And Elm Lake as far as that. So basically, if I see any really, really interesting trees, or more specifically, if I can get pretty close to some alligators, then I will bring those guys to you, of course.
And plus note, we want to be back here for November, and we're hoping it won't be a wet season during that time, so we can actually do all the trails that we didn't get to do this time.
Yeah, hopefully you heard all that. That when we come back, starting this coming November, that will get us another park pass then, and hopefully it won't be so wet, and the other trails that we've not been able to do. I hope you're hearing this.
What the heck?
It's an owl. And something else. I hope you picked up on that. That was crazy. Boy, if that came through, that's going to be some fantastic audio. But anyway, you can see that right here is the road. We cross it, and in fact, yeah, actually they're calling this the Live Oak Trail. Interesting enough, so maybe,
A little bit of it.
Okay, I wonder if maybe just a part of it. Oh, you know what? I've always wanted to get this part. Look at this on the road. Look at these trees while there's no traffic. And here, check this out. This is a very cool drive, and look at these trees here. Isn't this awesome? Look at this. nobody's coming, so ain't gonna get run over. That's a good thing. So,
Now, there's where we heard the owl somewhere.
yeah, he was somewhere through there. But anyway, interestingly enough, maybe I'm wrong. That says Live Oak Trail. So maybe, we will get to that. Just this caution road crossing. So hey, let's go find out. Maybe I will get to do all that I want to do, but maybe this is just a little piece of Live Oak, and then, like I said, it goes on down through there, and that's what I think it is. So this is probably actually the ending of Live Oak, I got a feeling. So anyway, whatever happens, I'll show you on the next clip. Alright, so right here, we do have an alligator. Look at his tail. He's got it wrapped around just a little bit. His head, he's laying down in the water, actually. And we get a better view of him from this side. Better view of his head there. Hopefully you can make out his mouth and all that as he's away from us. But again, see that tail, how it's just wrapped around a little bit. His eye is open. And he's got something on his back. So we've got close to an alligator. I mean, right now I'm going to guess 10 feet from his tail, maybe 8 feet. And she, just being a little nuttier, she's maybe 6 feet from his tail. But his head's that way, so you know, we got the advantage on him. Hey, don't get any closer than that. Alright, but I told you, if I saw an alligator, bring him to you, and if I see any more, definitely bring those to you as well. Hopefully you like this one. Okay, look right here in front of us. There's 2 alligators right there. This guy is facing us, and then there's another one over there. So we got 2 of them. And this guy looks like he could be mad. Man, he's huge.
You can run fast.
Some people aren't right, so you know, what do you do with them? Wow. Crazy. So, oh yes he is. This guy
He's the first one I've seen moving.
is actually moving, and he certainly has his eyes open. And I don't want to get any closer to him than this. Oh yeah, look at him moving his arm. This guy's putting on a show. He ain't the biggest one that we've seen. He's actually
active one we've seen.
He's on the smaller side. His guy's eyes closed again, so I guess he's sleeping. We'll just get him around here to the side a little bit. I don't want to get close to this guy. I just want to show you the whole thing. And here, let's get like so. There, you should be hopefully getting the whole thing there. Alright, so pretty cool. Alright, so you should be able to see that sign easily, and you see that middle one, Pilant Slough Trail there, and this is one Model Visitor Center at the bottom. Well, this is that trail, and that's what we're going to be taking. So this is one that's different. So this is the Elm Lake loop that we've been on for just a little bit. Some of this, if you watch my other video, this will be familiar to you. And that's the bathrooms right there. And then we, like I said, when she comes out, we're going to go right down that trail there. And I'll see if there's anything on it for you. Alright, so we're on this Pilant Slough Trail. I told you to bring you things that's interesting. You look out through there through those woods, if you can see, hopefully, that's part of an old bridge. And how do I know? Because as we swing around this way, right here, still a part of it standing. So you can see it used to run all the way across there. And see how this says Dangerous Bank on this sign right here. So you can see that. And here, yeah, I can even walk through here. Look, I'll show you this part of the bridge up close and personal. So that obviously used to set right here. They just pushed it off to the side. And then of course, it would have continued right on across. So this used to be some sort of a path that they've obviously since closed. You can look down this way and see the way this creek's running. And then we can turn, look back this way. See that palmetto right there in front of us? A whole bunch of them out there. And that's that. So like I always say, I try to bring you interesting things. Well, we've not been on this trail, and I've definitely not seen that before, so I find that of very, very much interest. And I'll just show you for a few seconds here. This is the trail. Oh, actually, we got us another bridge up here, so I'll keep you with me until we get across this bridge. You can see just how wet and swampy it is in here. This whole area, I tell you, has had a deluge. We've been here almost 2 solid months now. It's had a deluge of rain, and it really hardly even dries up before it rains again. But there, this will give you a view of this bridge. You can see it's definitely much nearer. Oh, and look at the white guys down in the water. Hopefully you can see them. Here, let me give you the start of the bridge. Show you this. And then look at these guys down here fishing. Check them out. They're just hanging out, waiting for some poor little fishy to come by so they can snag him. That's what they do for a living. Good sound of water too. Alright, so on across the bridge. So there you go. So you got to see an old bridge, you got to see a new bridge. Got to see some fishermen down there, those truly natural guys that don't need a permit or nothing. Show you all the woodsy area through here. How thick this is, and you hear these birds and things. Pretty wild. Alright, so let's keep going. If I run into anything more interesting, then I will definitely bring that to you as well. Alright, one last thing.
Man, look at
As she's pointed out, you see this bench here, and it's just, you can slide off that thing. You can start up there on the left, right down, right into the mud. That would not be fun. Alright, see you on the next clip. Alright guys, so I'm going to finish out our video here. I'm just going to give you the stats on our walk. We actually walked 6.34 miles. We did it in 2 hours and 13 minutes. And I don't think that was bad at all. But this will be our last trip here to Brazos Bend. And these trees here I've always wanted to get. Just take a look at these things with these arms. I'm going to walk us up here. And we just take a closer look. I think this is just a good way to close out the video. And you can see all the Spanish moss here. And look at all these ferns up on these limbs here. Hopefully those are coming through and looking good. Great big limb on the ground right there. Look at that thing. That is absolutely huge. So cool. Let me show you these trunks as we just go back by slowly. And then all those limbs over there on the ground. And right there is the road, and there goes a Prius. So, pretty cool place, I think. Always wanted to shoot these. So, glad I'm finally getting the opportunity. But here, Spanish moss. A little bit more of it right there. And there you go. That's the finish of the video. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you did, like it, subscribe. If you haven't, share it out. Tell other people about it. And we will see you on the next one. Enjoy the rest of your day.